Today in this video, we're going to talk about linking slides or linking a website or even a different document from Canva into your presentation or document that you are going to share with your students or peers. Canva makes it so simple to make these interactive documents and presentations that it is just so much fun to engage your audience, whether that be students or peers, by using this type of presentation. So I'm just going to show you some pretty quick tutorials on how to link by using a presentation. So I've gone to my templates, I found my theme, and I'm going to add in just a few pages so you can see the different ways to link within Canva. Now Canva is really great because I can link based on a word, based on a text box, based on an object. So I'm going to start off by just picking a picture. So I'm going to click on this object, and based on how wide your screen is, you may already see the linking icon, but if you don't, you're going to click on More, and then you're going to click right here to link. If you already see it in that top right hand corner, that is great. Go ahead and just click on it. So now I have a couple of options. I can search by title for different Canva presentations or documents that I already have. I can copy and paste a link to a website, or I can just link it to another slide within my document. So for this one, I'm going to link it to another slide, and when I click on that picture, I want it to go to slide 3, and I can see my little preview of that slide as well. I just click here, and then I'm done. If I ever wanted to remove it, I would just click on the same object, come back to my link function, and just hit remove. So now, if I go to presentation mode, I just want to show you guys the way this works. I'm going to go to File, Present. And now when I come to this picture, I can click on it, and it moves me to that slide that I directed it to go to. So I'm going to escape out just to show you guys a little bit more about linking. So for this one, I want this entire text box to link to a different Canva document. So I'm going to click on the whole text box, and then I'm going to go up to my More and that link again. So it might show up in my recents, and for now I'm just going to select my recents. If you need to pick one that is not in your recents, we would need to get that share link from the other document and just copy and paste it here. But for now, since this is in my recents, I'm going to bring it up here, and you'll see that it brings up my link. And now going back into presentation mode, now I can click on today's history class, and it is going to bring me to a new Canva document. And we will talk about sharing and the way links work in the next video. But whether you want your students to make a copy of it, it be a template, whether you want it to be read-only, will be up to you, and that will depend on the link that you select. So going back to our presentation, we're going to show the final thing that you can do. So we are going to just type in a website that we would want our students to be directed to. And then once we get to that web page, we're going to copy the URL. And so I can hit Control-C to copy, or I can right-click and hit copy. I'm going to head back to my presentation, and I'm going to find just a word that I want them to go to. So instead of highlighting all of my text, I'm going to highlight just the Civil War, come up to my More and my link, and then I'm going to paste that URL. So again, when I go into my presentation mode, now when I click on Civil War, it is going to direct my audience to that National Geographic page that I wanted them to see. So there are a lot of different ways to link in Canva, and the fun thing about this is you can turn this into an escape room, you can turn it into an interactive choice board, you can make a museum to where students direct their peers or their teacher to different areas of the museum using those links. It's just a really fun way to make this an interactive experience for your audience.